Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Our today's project is how to make butterfly sleeves. For this, firstly take a cloth of sleeves, then fold it and mark at the middle. And open it and mark at the point below the shoulder width at 1 inch. Then make a mark at middle and cut it from middle at the mark point. After making a cut mark at sleeve part, then we will take a square piece of cloth with width 13.5 inches. Then fold this piece of cloth, then again fold it. It will make a piece of square with 4 layers. And then mark at 1.5 inches in circular shape at closed corner. From these marking, again mark at 3 inches in circular shape. Then cut it at mark point. It will get a circular layer. Then cut the one side of this circular layer and place it on sleeves just like this. After adjusting it on sleeves cut part, you will notice that its one end will free. Cut this one end and shape it straight. After cutting, its shape will look like this. Then adjust it on sleeves cut part and attach it on sleeves cut part from one point to end. I have done picot on outer side of this layer. You can fold its outer side and make a stitch. Now here I have attached this layer on our sleeve cut part. After this, now fold these stitch edges to inner side and make a stitch on it. I have made zigzag stitch. After hiding our stitch edges, our layer look like this. Now make a stitch on other side of sleeves and also fold the border and make a stitch. Our project has been done. After attaching, our butterfly sleeves look like this. At open edges, you can attach button on any type of tassels. I have attached this type of tassels. These are handmade tassels. If you want to watch the tutorial video of these tassels, please click the I button that appear on top of the video. Hope you like it. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and like and share my video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.